students, this is Arbi Padil sir, welcomes you in this today's lecture. In the previous lecture, we have seen about some doubtful words and I hope you enjoy that lecture. Okay, as I already told, most of you were familiar with that things, but many were there who actually didn't know regarding that things, and I got very nice reply from students regarding that. Okay, so there are many other words like that you have to get a doubt, etc. You must be clear about that. You can use these words in your day-to-day language, in your writing, reading, etc. etc. Okay, in this lecture we are back to our work now, as we are learning about the transformation of sentences. Today we shall go with synthesis of sentences. So what is meant by synthesis of sentences, that we shall correct here. Let it be the point from the same way, transformation of the sentences. I will tell you what is meant by synthesis. Already we have studied in 2.2. Okay. So what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to focus on not only but also. Okay. So when I write this and when you see this, so there might be expressions on your face. Sir, we have learned it. I know, sir, about this. Very good, my dear students. If you know everything about that. But it is my duty to go with that, as this is very important from the point of view of an exam. Even in the 10th standard board exam, even in the RIMC exam, and all the exams, this is very important. As we have learned, as soon as, no sooner, and hardly when, all together at the end. We are also going to learn not only but also, as well as, and both and, all together at the end, within these two lectures. Okay. So today we shall focus on how to use, actually not only but also, how to use not only but also in the given sentences. Okay. Generally what happened, we used to speak with different actions, different adjectives, different adverbs, different objects of the same subject. Or sometimes we speak about the same action, same adjective, same adverb, same object with the different subjects. And if they are written in a separate sentences, we used to combine that sentence, we used to synthesize the sentence into one using or with the help of this not only but also. Okay, this not only but also is used. It is used to connect and emphasize on both the points of the same time. In this sentence, both the points, it may be two verbs, it may be two adjectives, it may be two objects, it may be two adverbs. Both these elements are given the same importance here, using not only but also, and we used to connect that one. Let's go with example, we shall see. See, for example, he is smart. Full stop. He is handsome. Too. He is handsome too. Okay. Now in this sentence you can see he is smart and he is handsome. Here we are referring to the same person, that is he. And as you see, these are the different adjectives. These are the different adjectives which are used with the same person here, and such a type of two sentences are given to you and you are told use not only but also. Then what is meant by synthesis? Synthesis is the process to make one sentence out of these two using some of the subordinators or coordinators. बघा, सिंथेसिस म्हणजे काय असतं, दोन वेगवेगळ्या वाक्यांचं एक वाक्य करायचं त्याला आपण सिंथेसिस असं म्हणतो. युजिंग द गिवन coordinator or subordinator. This is coordinator. This is used in the compound sentence by these students. Why? I said that we give same importance to the both ideas in the sentence. It may be adjective, adverb, verb or subject. So how to use? How to use this not only but also in the sentences? For example, my dear students, as there are different structures are there, but altogether I shall write the same one structure for your kind information. Okay, is that clear? See, now as you see here, these are the adjectives here. We are going to join these sentences with not only but also. Let me write the another one sentence using another one verb, that is ideas. He speaks Spanish. He speaks Spanish naturally. Full stop. He speaks Spanish fluently. Here, third one we are going to write. Altogether I will go to the one structure, separate structure लिहून घेण्यापेक्षा आपण एकच structure त्यांचं लिहून घेऊया. Okay, next third one, it is regarding the noun. I like swimming. Full stop. I like horse riding. Now here both are nouns here. Next one we shall go with verb. She dances well. Full stop. She sings well also. Here verb is there. And last one that we shall learn later, that is one. Now see, what to remember here, why I have gone with such a different sentences. So where can be both ideas? कुठलं काय असू शकतं ग्रामर मध्ये बघायचं आपल्याला. फर्स्ट वी शल फोकस ऑन दॅट. इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स वी शल फोकस ही इज स्मार्ट. स्मार्ट इज adjective here, my dear students. He is handsome. So in the first sentence, both adjectives are used for the same person. Okay, so there may be adjectives in the both sentences. You have to connect that adjectives. Second sentence, he speaks Spanish naturally. This is adverb in the sentence, ly suffix. He speaks Spanish fluently. This is another adverb. It means that using not only but also we can connect to adverbs also. Remember, third one we shall come here. I like swimming. This is noun. I like horse riding. This is also noun. So by using not only but also we can connect to nouns also. Last one, she dances well. She dances. Verb is also there. Next one, she sings well. This is also verb. These are the two different verbs with the same subject that can be also used to connect with the same emphasis, same importance, using not only but also. Okay. Now, how to use not only but also, my dear students? Already you know about that. अगदी तुम्हाला त्याच्याबद्दल भरपूर माहिती आहे, हे मलाही माहिती आहे. लेट मी टेक अ chalk. Yes. See, when you are told, especially the upper classes students, 8 and 9, 10, 10 standard, you might know about all these things. But 6 and 7 standard students, some of the 8 or 9 or 10, remember that. When we use not only but also, we have to follow some rules. As I told, why I said so? When we use, I think though, although, or in despite and in spite of. I have told to go with some exercise there. Some students even but in the given sentences. आपण ज्यावेळेला डिस्पाइट इन्स्पाइट वापरतो त्यावेळेला बट वापरायचं नाही किंवा दो ऑल्दो वापरतो त्यावेळेला बट वापरायचं नव्हतं तरी सुद्धा काही म्हणून चुकून वापरलं जातं आणि मग आपलं उत्तर चुकलं. त्यामुळं whether you understood, whether you already know about that, please pay attention here. Okay, see, when you use not only but also, it means that not only the first action but another action also, second thing also. Okay, so remove the common point in the second. What is the common in the sentence? The subject and verb is the same. Subject and verb is the same in both the sentences. So we are going to remove this because it is not necessary to unnecessary use of these things here. Okay, so see how to use here. He is, this is the common part. Before the two actions, actually here two adjectives are given for us. इथे आपल्याला adjectives दिलेले आहेत. Use not only before the first adjective. Use not only before this first adjective, smart. He is not only smart. Already we are going to omit this one as it is written here. Use but also. But also second adjective, handsome. It is not necessary to use this adverb here. इथे adverb वापरायची पुन्हा गरज नाही. This two is already made by not only but also. Understood? He is not only smart, तो फक्त smartच नाही आहे तर handsome सुद्धा आहे. Is that clear? This is the correct usage of not only but also. Find out the two main important actions. It may be adjective, verb, adverb or noun or subject, object, etc. And before that, first one use not only, before the second use but also. Finished. Okay? See, second thing here, he speaks Spanish naturally. He speaks Spanish fluently. Here adverbs are different. So simple it is that we are going to use not only but also with these two adverbs. We are going to connect these two adverbs using not only but also because this part, he speaks Spanish, is already written here. So this should be omitted. Don't write like this. He speaks not only Spanish naturally but also he speaks Spanish fluently. Not necessary to write like that. So he speaks Spanish. This is the common part, common element. Not only, these are the two different adverbs. So not only before first adverb. Not only naturally, but also fluently. My dear students. Got it? So we can use not only but also to connect two adverbs also. In the first sentences we learned about adjective. Third one we shall come here. See, third one. I like swimming. Actually, this is a noun. Jaran. Both are jarans here. I like horse riding. So when there are two different nouns, in case of complement or object, you can join them with not only but also. Here I like is the same part, so it should be omitted. I like not only swimming. Not only swimming but also horse riding. See, both nouns are connected with not only and but also, my dear students. Got it? Here, see, when the verbs are different, we have to go with little bit changes in the sentence, little bit changes in the structure. Till this time, see, in the sentence number first to third, we shall write down structure here first for the first to third sentence. And what is that structure for? Structure is subject plus verb. Because in all the three sentences, our verb is common. See, is, speak, common along with subject. So we shall use the structure S plus V plus not only plus either adjective or adverb or noun. Understood? There may be adjective, there may be adverb, or there may be noun. That should be written, and this will be adjective 1, adjective adverb 1 or noun 1 plus but also plus either adjective or adverb or noun second. This will be the structure for these three sentences, my dear students. If you can see clearly, let me see if you can see clearly in your mobile view. Yes, subject plus verb plus not only plus whatever it is given, either adjective or adverb or noun. That is first. This is the first adjective, this is the first adverb, this is the first noun. Not only should be used before them, and they should be connected with but also, and second adjective, second adverb or second noun. This structure is important. Structure number 1. Got it? Clear? Now, when the verbs are different in the sentences, we have to do like that. Now here subject is same. See, our subject is same. So we shall write subject here first, she. What is the common element again? Subject is the only common element here. Our verbs are different, and we are going to connect these two words with not only but also. So accordingly, before the first verb we have to use not only. For example, she not only dances well, or even you can drop this well, you can write at the end. She not only dances well, but also sings well. Now this also is dropped because already we have used also here. She not only dances but also sings well. So here we have written not only before the verb because verbs are different, my dear students, and whatever the rest part is. लक्षात घ्या, इथं मी आपल्याला समजण्यासाठी छोटी छोटी आणि सिंपल वाक्य घेतोय. इतकी छोटी वाक्य आपल्याला येतील जसं नाही, आपल्याला मोठे मोठे क्रिया आहेत. But all that actions, it may be, there may be adjective, there may be adverb or noun, काहीतरीच असेल, फ्रेज वगैरे असेल त्याच्यामध्ये. आपण एक्झाम्पल्स मध्ये घेऊ तसे एक सेंटेन्सेस. Okay, understood? So regarding the verb, what structure we are going to follow here? We shall follow subject plus not only plus V1 plus but also plus V2 plus remaining part. This is the second structure that you have to follow for verb. This is the first structure that you should follow for adverb, adjective, noun, adverb, adjective, noun. Understood? Clear? So note down first these three sentences, write down, then write down this structure, then write down next fourth sentence, and write down this structure, my dear students. So we learned that when there is adjective or adverb or noun, how to use not only but also in the sentence. When their verbs are different, when there is verb difference, how to use not only but also in the sentence. And the last point we are going to learn here, that is when the subjects are different. When our subjects are different, how to use not only but also in the sentence. Let me clear this. See, it's very simple to understand. I am not going to take your more time here regarding this one. against China. Japan also declared war against China. This is one part. My father brought me a bicycle, a dress, and my uncle too. Number 3. Maharashtra as well as Gujarat led the nation in the cleanliness campaign. These are few examples before us, my dear students. We shall see these examples and we shall stop here. More examples we shall learn later, because we have to touch this point in the next lesson also, regarding as well as and both hand. Both are connected with each other. एकच वाक्य आपण तिन्हींमध्ये सुद्धा कन्वर्ट करू शकतोय. जसं आपण as soon as, no sooner, hardly when केलं होतं तसं. उद्या आपण त्याच्यावर डिस्कस करू पुढच्या लेक्चरमध्ये. Okay? See here. Now in these 3 sentences, I am particularly with the different subjects, and when the subjects are different in the sentences, how to use not only in the sentences, that we shall learn. See, in the first sentence tells us that America declared war against China, as the conditions are going on severely. Yesterday I saw on the news that Iraq, I think Iran, China, Russia and one more country is there. They are going to have a collective this campaign. War studies is upon the war studies campaign करणार आहे. म्हणजे रशियाने आपला पाठिंबा कुणाला दिलेला आहे? चायनाला दिला. अगेन्स्ट अमेरिका I said. अगेन्स्ट अमेरिका. आता अमेरिकेला सुद्धा काही ना काहीतरी पावलं उचलावीच लागणार आहे. Whatever it is. So America declared war against China. Japan also declared war against China. Yesterday, if you have seen the news, not yesterday actually, you will get this lecture late. Japan also agreed with India to use or to give their post against the Chinese. Okay, so here declared war against China. This part of predicate. This is the predicate. See, declared war against China. This part of predicate is the same in the given sentence, and only subjects are different. In the first sentence, subject is America. In the second sentence, subject is Japan. So accordingly, the subject is different. We have to use not only but also before that, and hence that's why, my dear students, in case of different subject, your sentence should begin with not only. Your sentence should begin with not only. Okay? Not only America, but also Japan, that is second subject. Japan, and the common factor, that is declared war against China. Understood how that sentence? Not only America but also Japan declared war against China. Remember that only in case of different subject you should begin sentence with not only. Okay, understood? Even in case of verb differences, the last sentence we shall remind: she dances well, she sings well. Both answers are correct. She not only dances well but also sings. That is, she not only dances but also sings. Not only she dances well but also sings well. This is can be accepted. वर्बच्या बाबतीमध्ये सुद्धा नॉट ओनली सुरुवात एक्सेप्ट केली जाऊ शकते. हा, नंतर आपण एक्झाम्पल मध्ये बघू त्याच्याविषयी. सो वी आर स्पीकिंग अबाउट द वर्ब हियर. वर्ब subject here. So not only should be at the beginning of the sentence. Here, my father brought me a dress. See, my father brought me a dress and my uncle too. माझ्या अंकल ने सुद्धा म्हणजे काय? Here too is replaced with this predicate part. My uncle brought a dress too. याचा अर्थ काय होतो बघा? माझ्या अंकलने सुद्धा काय केलं? अंकलने सुद्धा माझ्यासाठी ड्रेस आणलाय. So it is omitted by this adverb too. So in such a case you should remember here, not only my father, but also my uncle, remaining part, brought a dress for me. Whatever it is, brought me a dress. क्या असेल ते पुढे? Brought me a dress. In this way. Okay. The last one. Maharashtra as well as Gujarat. Here as well as is used here, and both the subjects are connected with the as well as that we are going to learn later. Led the nation in the cleanliness campaign. Answer will be like this. Not only Maharashtra as well as is the same means with not only but also. Not only Maharashtra but also Gujarat led the nation in the cleanliness campaign as it is, as the same, as it is. पुढं जे आहे ते पुढं आहे तसं राहायचं. Not only Maharashtra but also Gujarat led the nation in the cleanliness campaign. Got it? That is the usage of the subject, my dear students. In that case we can make a structure like this. Not only subject 1 but also subject 2 plus predicate, whatever predicate is there. Predicate means not verb plus remaining part there. So that is the use of as soon as, not only but also in the sentences like this. Okay, got it? Got this much? Now exercise for you that find out such a 5 sentences, any 5 sentences, and convert that or use not only but also in that sentences. Tomorrow's lecture. In tomorrow's lecture we shall learn how to use as well as and both and in context of these sentences, and then we shall go with some examples also. Okay? ठीक है? Till the time write down all these sentences. This structure also, structure number 3. Already we have taken 2 structures. Take different 5 sentences. It may be adjective, it may be adverb, it may be noun, it may be verb, and it may be subject. असे 5 वेगळे sentences घ्या मी जसे दिले तसे, आणि त्याचे not only but also वापरायला घ्या त्याच्यात. Is that clear? Understood, my dear students? So we are going to end up here. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice